Hey guys, so as you know, I make review videos here, and part of that is doing voiceovers for those videos. The thing about doing voiceovers is that they can be time consuming, especially for somebody like me who does not get it right the first time, doesn't get it right on the first recording. So I have to constantly record until I get it right. So what I wanted to talk about in this video was a website that is actually a text-to-speech website that, within minutes you can convert whatever you type in into an actual speaking voice. And you could use this for your videos or any messages you might send, presentations at work. There's lots of uses for this. And a good thing is that if you do use it for something like your YouTube channel or YouTube videos, it is copyright free. So that's another good thing about it. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and check it out. Alright, so first off, we're going to want to go to Kukarella.com, of course. Alright, so this is the home page of Kukarella. To get started, we want to go to the text to voice tab. And here we go. So this area right here is where you are going to be putting in the text. Here's some that I just copied and pasted. And so once you have your text in here, you can go ahead and select a language. So there are over 60 languages here. I'm going to choose English, but you can see there's lots more to choose from, languages and accents. So go ahead and choose your language, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and choose a voice by clicking here. You can actually select several voices and then kind of just sample them. You can do that by clicking play.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
And once you decide which ones you don't want, just click the X to get rid of them. And so there you go, you got your voice for your text. So after you have your language set and your voice set, you can go ahead and go to the effects. That's going to be over here on the right. And you have several here. You see pause, speed, volume, mute, so on and so forth. Some of these are included only with paid subscriptions, but some are free. For example, the pause here is free. And if you wanted to use one of these, you could just put your cursor where you want it. So, and then click the effect. And so as you can see here, the pause shows up where my cursor was. You can set the length. And to get rid of it, you can just press backspace or delete. And so once we have it all ready, you just press convert to get it to, get it to do its thing. It's preparing the audio file for us. It doesn't take too long. And here we go. It's about done. Yep. So here we see the download kind of interface here. The first thing I want to show is this at the top here where it says show paragraph. So if you click that, you'll see that it actually separates the recording into paragraphs. So it knows where the paragraphs are. And of course, let's go ahead and press play on one of these to hear what it sounds like.
Almost 3,500 years ago under Queen Hatshepsut's reign, Egypt enjoyed decades of peace and flourishing culture. And
so once you do that, once you're ready to download, just go ahead and select what you want to download. Then press the download button, and it'll go ahead and download for you. Pretty easy. So what I want to do now is actually go back to the previous page here and show that, just a couple more things that's below what we were looking at earlier. So first off here, we could see powered by Amazon, Google, IBM, and Microsoft. So these are actually the technologies that are powering the voices, as you can see here. So it's really cool that you're using the same technology that's used as in Google Assistant. Below that, you kind of get an introduction to Kukarella with this video here, and then some of the features. So for example, we have some different formats we could choose from, different effects, file storage, so on and so forth. And then below that, we see a couple of the employees from Kukarella. So for example, in the middle, we have the founder and CEO. And then on the sides, we have a couple of developers. And let's see, and then further down, we have the frequently asked questions. So this is an important section, specifically this one here, commercial use of text-to-speech voices. Of these paragraphs here, the most important is the last sentence where it says commercial use is allowed as long as it's with a paid plan. And speaking of which, let's go ahead and go check out the paid plan. So on the left here, you'll see the free plan, but there are some limitations to it. So if you want to kind of not have any limitations, you want to go with one of the paid plans, premium is probably the way to go, the best value for your money, and gets you a good amount of stuff to use from the website. So you can go ahead and try this text-to-speech converter for free right now. If you are interested, go ahead and go to the description and check out the link. Thanks.